I don't think okay, I can just chill. Oh, dude. Yes, nice. I like what you did. It's already recording. I'm going to ask him if I can. He might say no, but I'm just going to ask him. Bro, I just fire twirled for the first time ever. I wasn't scared. I should have been scared. I was a little scared. I'll be honest, I was a little scared. And I just got a sushi roll. Please, please indulge.
Don't mind if I do. Cheers.
Is that ginger?
Come on. That's real.
Salud. Oh my God. Tonight we're going to be doing scary movies and video games on on Charles's van, projected by Aussie Van Man here.
Yes, sir.
Super excited about that. Yeah, it's very cool.
Mateo. Have him light you.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God.
Woo! Nicely done.
Oh. Yes. Oh my God. Yeah! Woo! Freaking awesome.
The greatest thing ever.
It's so beautiful. Did you make it?
No. I got it on Amazon.
Wow. Thank you. Man. You guys leaving?
Later, man. So good to meet you. We're a great time. We'll see you when we get back up, man.
Thank you.
What an amazing time and being an amazing person.
Thank you. Bye. What's up, guys? So I know I didn't talk too much in this episode, but hopefully you enjoyed it. I just spent a lot of time getting to know everybody and enjoying the vibes. Skooliepalooza has been absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait to come back next year. I'm gonna go say goodbye to everyone, and then we are hitting the road. Peace. See you guys. Bye. What is up, astronauts? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Before I jump into anything that's going on today, I want to first and foremost say thank you guys so much for getting this channel, this community, this channel to 50,000 subscribers. 50 freaking thousand. I don't want to sound like I don't want to keep jumping back to this, but if you guys were here early on, you'll know my goal for 2023 was to just get 1,000 subscribers. And with the help of you guys, we have blown that out of the water. We just hit 50,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who clicks in, watches me and Lars, just be me and Lars. watches us cook food, walk, meet people, drive, just anything that we do. Thank you guys for watching, tuning in, pressing the like button, hitting subscribe, leaving a comment. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. So, right now we are en route to Las Vegas. I haven't been to Las Vegas since I was literally like 11 years old. So, this is gonna be a crazy one. I'm actually going because my friend Leslie, she and I go way back. We actually used to be in a band together, but today is her birthday and she invited me to come hang out with her and party with her in Las Vegas. So that's what we're doing. And obviously I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm a little tired. I'm definitely tired after Skooliepalooza, but I was talking to one of my friends that I met, Ozzy Van Man, and he was telling me how, you know, he has a lot of stuff coming up too, and you might as well, like, when you're a nomad, you never know when you're gonna see your friends or people again. So I'm just absorbing all the time and like having as much fun as I can before inevitably we hit the road again and probably don't see anyone or talk to anyone for like 6 months. So I'm letting it all in. So I'm excited to have a good time tonight. Excited to bring you guys along. So yeah, let's head to Las Vegas. What's up, guys? So I am at the venue right now. It's not quite open, but it's a contest party. So I'm supposed to be wearing a costume. Supposed to be wearing a costume, but the costume that my friend picked out for me does not fit. So I guess I'm googly eye man today. It's gonna have to do.